Hello everyone, this is the fifth question of exercise 12.1, and in this question we have to classify these 12 parts in monomial, binomial and trinomial. So what is mononomial, binomial and trinomial? Mono means 1, bi means 2 and tri means 3. That means that if any expression is having one single term, then it will be called monomial. It is having two terms, then it will be called binomial, and if it is having three terms, then it will be called trinomial. But there is one condition. The basic condition is that they should be in their simplest form. Now what does this mean? That, for example, if you have a question like 5x plus 3y minus 7x plus 2x minus 3y. Supposingly this is the question. Now this is having more than 3 terms, so we can say this to be a polynomial, but this is not in its simplest form. Now what does this mean is, like, some of the quantities can be cancelled out. So the basic condition is that they should be in simplest form. Reason being, supposingly if there is one more x, if we solve it, it will be 5, 6, 7, 8x minus 7x, that will be x, and plus 3y minus 3y, that will be 0. So in simplest form, we got the answer as x. That means it is a monomial. But if you see this quantity, you will say it a polynomial, means having more than 3 figures. So this is the condition that it should be in its simplest form. Now first question, it is already in its simplest form, having two quantities. So this is a binomial. I am denoting them by B, M and T. B means binomial, M means monomial, and T means trinomial. It is having one term, so monomial. It is having 3 terms and they cannot be simplified, so it is a trinomial. One term, monomial, 3 terms, trinomial, 2 terms, binomial, 2 terms again, binomial, 1 term, monomial, 3 terms, trinomial, 2 terms, binomial, again 2 terms, binomial, and 3 terms, trinomial. So these are the answers of 12 parts that are there. First is binomial, second monomial, third trinomial, fourth monomial, fifth again trinomial, sixth binomial, 2 terms, then again 2 terms binomial, 1 term monomial, 3 terms trinomial, 2 terms binomial, 2 terms binomial, and 3 terms trinomial. This is how you can do this question. Thank you.